I heard that Xeomin is made through a unique purifying process, and if that means less stuff I don't need, it's okay with me.
Xeomin is made through a unique precision manufacturing process that isolates the therapeutic component of the molecule and removes the accessory proteins that don't play an active role in treatment. Xeomin is a highly purified neurotoxin.
Xeomin, a purified choice for frown lines. Xeomin incobotulinumtoxin A is an FDA-approved treatment used to temporarily improve the look of moderate to severe frown lines between the eyebrows. Effects of Xeomin may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor as difficulty swallowing, speaking, breathing, eye problems, or muscle weakness can be signs of life-threatening conditions. Don't take Xeomin if you are allergic to Xeomin, other botulinum toxins, or have a skin infection. Side effects may include allergic reactions, headache, injection site pain, eyelid drooping, and swelling. Tell your doctor about your medical history, muscle and nerve conditions, and all medicines, especially botulinum toxins, muscle relaxants, and blood thinners, as these may increase the risk of serious side effects. Doses of Xeomin are not the same as other botulinum toxins. Ask your doctor about Xeomin. Xeomin, a purified choice for frown lines.
When it comes to my body, I don't compromise. Eating organic, yoga, being active, it's all a part of staying healthy. Before Xeomin, I was afraid I might lose my natural expression, but I love my results.
Xeomin, a purified choice for frown lines.